Welcome to April's Market Update, brought to you in cooperation with this sponsor. Let's take a look at residential real estate activity in your area during the month of April. The number of active listings was up 14% from 1 year earlier and up 11% from the previous month. This continued upward trend reflected a healthy inventory for buyers to choose from. As you can see, the median listing price for the month was $500,000. Compared to last year, the average number of days that units spent on the market before being sold was down 6%. This lower number of days may signal a positive trend in the local inventory turnover rate. The median sale price was just under $530,000. The number of units sold increased 11% year over year and increased 48% month over month. These figures may indicate that buyers have been taking advantage of opportunities in this market. Thanks for watching. We hope you use this information to make smart, informed decisions in your upcoming real estate transactions. Feel free to contact us for more information or further assistance.